Hello, everyone. Are you wondering how to train a dog to stay? Let's explore. Training a dog to stay requires patience and practice, but it is an essential command for ensuring your dog's safety. Start by having your dog sit. Once they are sitting calmly, hold your hand up like a stop sign and say the word stay. Take one step back, and if your dog remains in place, immediately reward them with a treat and praise. If your dog gets up, calmly guide them back to the sitting position and repeat the process. Gradually increase the distance you move away from your dog and the duration they are expected to stay before giving the treat. Always return to your dog to give the reward, so they learn that staying in place is the goal. Practice this command in different environments with varying levels of distractions to reinforce the behavior. Be patient and keep training sessions short, especially for younger dogs who may have shorter attention spans. With consistent practice, your dog will learn to stay until released, helping them stay safe in potentially dangerous situations. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.